True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm right at the entrance will take us to Aberdeen Quick Step. So I think this area is in the Siloah area, guys. Yeah man, Siloah in St. Elizabeth. So guys, welcome back to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, I tell us them people are from overseas. They are putting in the work in this area, guys, and big up on yourself anywhere now watch from. You see how much utility pole down in the St. Elizabeth area. Yeah man. So thank you guys for stopping by. So it's my first time driving around here, so I'm taking my time to show you what I go on. Tell us a whole heap of utility pole and just down. So we're in the Siloah area, guys. On your left you have the Seventh-day Adventists in Siloah area, and also on your right you have the post office. If you make a left turn, will take you to Windsor Street, and on your right you have the post office in the Siloah area. Oh, this place looking so beautiful. I love this area, guys. So big up anywhere you know I watch from. If you're from this area, from St. Elizabeth, you get to see how this area look. I'm heading towards the Siloah Primary School. Big up yourself, Mr. Simmet. The one Sheldon Simmet, the Dan Sheldon Simmet. Big up yourself anyway there I watch from my boss. Yeah man. Take your time and go through the area. This area looks so beautiful. Whole heap of the utility poles them down, you know. Man, flash up the place and fix up the place. Yeah man. Pang Town on your left. Place look proper. You know, so them area close to Appleton Rum Tour when you're in this area. Mrs. Jama eat them food. see the sign Appleton. So we are in the Appleton area. Yeah man, so all the people them come for the Appleton rum tour. Yeah man, we're in this area guys. The right turn guys will take you all to Tantern. So a lot of people when them get them Jamaica sugar, a lot of the cane come from around this area guys. Them do a lot of cane farming around here. Around here get one of the best Appleton Estate rum. Come from right here all over the world. So this is the sign right here. Appleton Estate. Yeah man. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.